everyone, it's Joy, and I just wanted to share with you my favorite weekly planner. Let's get started. First of all, have you ever seen a cuter nose picker in your whole entire life? I just want to mention I am not being paid to review this planner, nor did I get a free one. I'm just giving you my honest thoughts and honest opinions. All right, so this planner is by Rachel Werner from spacesplanner.com. She's also on Instagram. So I have bought a lot of planners in my lifetime. This is my first time consistently using my planner. And let me tell you, when you start, you're gonna have a hard time living without this planner. There are two super cute options for 2019. I had a hard time deciding which one to get, and I'm sure as the business grows, there will be more options for the cover. So good luck deciding in the future. But I chose the floral planner because it was in the middle of winter and I just needed some spring in my life. It's built really well with a hard cover and metal spine, and it also has metal protecting the corners, which is great because this is something you will use every day, and it's nice and protected. The size of the book is 8.5 by 8.5 inches. I love this size. I love that it's square. I don't feel like I'm lugging around a huge notebook by any means, and there are plenty of spaces to write. Opening it up, on the first page, you'll see some notes from the creator, Rachel, and a breakdown of the layout of pages. Then there are tabs for every month, along with a big plans tab and an extra notes tab. Okay, here is a 2019 year overview calendar, but what's really nice is that there's also a 2020 calendar provided as well. Super handy for us planners. Okay, next is the monthly layout, and I'm gonna go to a clear one so you don't have to see all my scribbles. Each day of the week has a nice size box allowing for plenty of room to write, and it has a note section on the side if you want to write your goals there or whatever. Okay, after the month page is the weekly layout, and since I'm giving my honest review, I do feel like I need to tell you that I did find a typo in the 4th week of March. I messaged Rachel about it and she had already known. Lots of people told her. She was super bummed. Unfortunate that it happened, but really, it's not a big deal. I just made the correction myself. Moving down the page, you have 7 labeled boxes. First, personal and housework. On this page, errands, shopping lists, notes, health goals, and relationships, which I like that there's relationships here because sometimes we forget to focus on those. And then there are 6 unlabeled boxes. I like it because you can do whatever. It's nice that you can just adjust for each week too. There's a section with the days of the week, some Monday through Sunday. This is where I typically write like my play dates or phone calls that I need to make, things like that. I do wish like it could be like a 1/2 inch bigger, which I did suggest because she was asking for a bunch of suggestions. So I kind of like that. Before you get to a new month, there are a few pages of notes, which I write my budget in for the next coming month. I like to keep an eye on it, and I like to keep it right here, right before the month. She also puts a motivational quote on the tab page with a design. It's cute. Towards the end of the book, there's a big plans tab with some pages for big plans. Apparently, I do not have any big plans. But if I did, I'd write them here. The last section, marked with its own tab, is the notes section. And basically about 10 pages of notes, and it's always nice to just have more spaces to write things. And to round things off, on the back inside cover, there's a nice little pocket to keep any extra papers or receipts or whatever you'd like. I will say, at the beginning of using this planner, I was a little scared to ruin it. It's really cute, and I wanted everything to look organized, but here we are in month 3 going on 4, and it's a mess, but a really pretty cute mess. I'm just going to tell you that you do not need to wait for the beginning of the year to get a new planner. This one is awesome, and you can use it every day starting right away. Okay, you can find this planner at spacesplanner.com, or she is on Instagram at spacesplanner. I will link her in the description so you can check it out for yourself or buy one if you'd like. If you like this video, click the like button, click subscribe if you want to see more, and thanks for jamming out with me. I'll catch you on the next one. Let's get started. Okay, no need to shout. Oh, I'm really hot, really hot. If you enjoy this video, click that like. This one sentence is literally. Okay. Oh boy. Click subscribe if you want to see more.